1. Undaunted, adjective.
दलेर, बेखौफ, बहादुर, निडर.
Not intimidated or discouraged by difficulty, danger, or disappointment. Example, they were undaunted by the huge amount of work needed. Synonyms, unafraid, undismayed, unalarmed, unflinching, unshrinking, unabashed, unfaltering. Antonyms, afraid, fearful. 2. Jingoism, noun.
जारहाना वतन प्रस्ती, शदीद कौम परस्त.
Extreme patriotism, especially in the form of aggressive or warlike foreign policy. Example, the popular jingoism that swept the lower middle classes. Synonyms, extreme patriotism, blind patriotism, chauvinism, extreme nationalism, flag-waving, xenophobia. Antonyms, disloyalty, internationalism, multiculturalism. 3. Ire.
गुस्सा.
Anger. Synonyms, annoyance, fury. Antonyms, diligent, calm. 4. Quell, verb.
कुचल देना, मिटा देना, कम करना.
Put an end to, a rebellion or other disorder, typically by the use of force. Example, extra police were called to quell the disturbance. Synonyms, put an end to, stamp out, put a stop to, end to, finish, get rid of, crush, put down, check. Antonyms, bring about, prompt. 5. Fragile, adjective.
नाजुक, कागजी, आसानी से टूट जाने वाला.
Of an object, easily broken or damaged. Example, fragile items such as glass and china. Synonyms, breakable, easily broken, brittle, frangible, smashable, splintery, flimsy, weak. Antonyms, robust. 6. Bigot.
हित धर्म / मुतासिब आदमी.
A person who strongly and unfairly dislikes other people or ideas. Synonyms, dogmatist, partisan. Antonyms, freethinker, latitudinarian. 7. Solidarity, noun.
यकजहती.
Unity or agreement of feeling or action, especially among individuals with a common interest, mutual support within a group. Example, factory workers voiced solidarity with the striking students. Synonyms, unanimity, unity, like-mindedness, agreement, accord, harmony, consensus. Antonyms, antagonism, antipathy, enmity, hatred. 8. Fraternity, noun.
गिरो, फिरका, अंजुमन, बरादरी.
A group of people sharing a common profession or interests. Example, members of the hunting fraternity. Synonyms, profession, body of workers, band, group, set, circle. Antonyms, sorority, solitude, separation, isolation. 9. Lethal, adjective.
मुहलिक, जानलेवा.
Very harmful or destructive. Example, the Krakatoa eruption was the most lethal on record. Synonyms, fatal, deadly, mortal, causing death, death-dealing, life-threatening, murderous. Antonyms, harmless, safe. 10. Communal, adjective.
फिरका वाराना, गिरोही, बस्ती का.
Shared by all members of a community, for common use. Example, a communal bathroom and kitchen. Synonyms, shared, joint, common, general, public, collective, cooperative, community, communalist. Antonyms, private, individual. 11. Enlightened, adjective.
रोशन ख्याल, चमकाना, बसीरत, साहिब दिल.
Having or showing a rational, modern, and well-informed outlook. Example, the more enlightened employers offer better terms. Synonyms, informed, aware, educated, knowledgeable, learned, wise, literate, intellectual, tutored. Antonyms, ignorant, benighted. 12. Tenuous, adjective.
कमजोर, पतला, नाजुक.
Very weak or slight. Example, the tenuous link between interest rates and investment. Synonyms, slight, insubstantial, flimsy, negligible, weak, fragile, shaky, sketchy, doubtful. Antonyms, convincing, substantial, strong. 13. Expediency, noun.
ज़रूरत, मुफीद, हिकमत अमली.
The quality of being convenient and practical despite possibly being improper or immoral, convenience. Example, an act of political expediency. Synonyms, convenience, advantage, advantageousness, usefulness, utility, benefit, profitability, profit. Antonyms, disadvantage. 14. Stalled.
मंतकी अंजाम होना / आयद करना.
To bring something to have a stand still to stop functioning. Synonyms, fetch up, hold up, break, stop. Antonyms, carry on, along, start up. 15. Herculean, adjective.
बहुत ताकतवर, सब्र आज़मा.
Requiring great strength or effort. Example, a Herculean task. Synonyms, arduous, grueling, laborious, backbreaking, onerous, strenuous, difficult. Antonyms, easy. 16. Haunt, verb.
ताक़ुब करना, पीछा करना, आमदरूफ़त रखना.
Of a ghost, manifest itself at a place regularly. Example, a gray lady who haunts the chapel. Synonyms, appear in, materialize in, visit, spook. Antonyms, abandon, abdicate, abjure, cast off. 17. Burnish, verb.
चमकाना, उजला करना.
Polish something, especially metal, by rubbing. Example, to burnish copper, I would probably use a drill with a pad attached to the end. Synonyms, polish, up, shine, brighten, rub up / down, buff, up, smooth, glaze, furbish. Antonyms, dull. 18. Induce, verb.
कायल करना, माइल करना, आमादा करना.
Succeed in persuading or leading someone to do something. Example, the pickets induced many workers to stay away. Synonyms, persuade, convince, prevail upon, get, make, prompt, move, inspire, instigate. Antonyms, dissuade. 19. Depreciation, noun.
फरसूदगी, कीमत कम होना.
A reduction in the value of an asset over time, due in particular to wear and tear. Example, provision should be made for depreciation of fixed assets. Synonyms, devaluation, devaluing, decrease in value, lowering in value, reduction in value. Antonyms, rise. 20. Inertia, noun.
बेअमली.
A tendency to do nothing or to remain unchanged. Example, the bureaucratic inertia of the various tiers of government. Synonyms, inactivity, inaction, inactiveness, inertness, passivity, apathy, accidie, malaise. Antonyms, activity, energy. 21. Evade, verb.
टाल देना, निकल जाना.
Escape or avoid someone or something, especially by guile or trickery. Example, friends helped him to evade capture for a time. Synonyms, elude, avoid, dodge, escape, from, stay away from, steer clear of, run away from. Antonyms, confront, run into. 22. Austerity, noun.
सादगी, किफायत शियारी.
Sternness or severity of manner or attitude. Example, he was noted for his austerity and his authoritarianism. Synonyms, sternness, austereness, severity, strictness, grimness, seriousness, somberness. Antonyms, cheerfulness. 23. Cyclical, adjective.
बार बार होने वाला, दूरी.
Occurring in cycles, recurrent. Example, the cyclical nature of the cement industry. Synonyms, recurrent, recurring, happening at regular intervals, regular, repeated, repetitive, periodic. Antonyms, non-cyclic, irregularity, cyclic. 24. Commute, verb.
रोज का सफर.
Travel some distance between one's home and place of work on a regular basis. Example, he commuted from Corby to Kentish Town. Synonyms, travel to and from work, travel to and fro, travel back and forth, come and go, shuttle. Antonyms, increase, uphold. 25. Cordial, adjective.
दिलकश, दोस्ताना, खुश अखलाक.
warm and friendly. Example, the atmosphere was cordial and relaxed. Synonyms, friendly, warm, genial, affable, amiable, pleasant, fond, affectionate, warm-hearted. Antonyms, unfriendly. For more videos, subscribe our channel. Dawn Vocabulary. youtube.com/@dawnvocabulary. Like, subscribe, share and comments.